Hello everyone, welcome to Home and Hearty Cooking. I hope you all are enjoying Navratri festival. Before we start the recipe, let's enjoy Jayesh Asher's Garbas. Jayesh Asher is a versatile, multifaceted artist, singer, composer, writer, actor and a show anchor. He runs an event organizing company and a studio in the name of Swar Urja with his partner Daksha Asher. So let's enjoy Navratri Garbas. You can find the details of Swar Urja in my description box. Now let's start Navratri special Vrat Thali. Navratri is a celebration of 9 days during which Goddess Durga is worshipped and most people observe fast. Vrat Thali is prepared for fasting during Navratri festival. It is a combination of special Vrat recipes. This thali is very rich in protein and fiber, so it is recommended for festival if you are doing fast. These recipes are very easy to make. So our first recipe is makhana roti. As you all know, makhana is lotus seeds. Instructions are: first, roast makhana, cool them in a plate, grind them to a powder. In a plate, add powdered makhana, arrowroot and oil. Make a soft dough adding water. Cover and set aside for 10 minutes. Roll out rotis. Roast on hot tawa on both sides. Add ghee while roasting and soft makhana rotis are ready. That was easy one, right? Next recipe is baby potato sabji. Instructions are: in a non-stick pan, do tempering by adding oil, cumin seeds and curry leaves. Once done, add boiled potatoes. Roast for 2-3 minutes to get them crispy. Add remaining ingredients like coriander powder, cumin powder, salt to taste, crushed groundnuts, red chili powder, desiccated coconut, and coriander leaves chopped. Add 1 tablespoon of water so that the spices stick to potatoes. Cook for 2 minutes and baby potato sabji is done. Next we are going to make samo cutlets. You might be knowing samo as barnyard millet. I have not used any potato. Instructions are: soak sago, that is sabudana, for an hour by adding 1/4 cup of water. Wash samo 2-3 times. Add 3/4 cup water. Set aside for 20 minutes. Add salt and cumin seeds. Pressure cook for 3 whistles. Once it cools down, in a mixing bowl, add sabudana after squeezing out water from it. Add cooked samo. Add crushed groundnuts, coriander leaves chopped, salt, green chili paste, and make a dough. Mix well. Add lemon juice. Grease your palm with oil and make cutlets from the mixture. To a non-stick pan, add oil and roast samo cutlet till they turn golden brown on both sides. And samo cutlets are also ready. Now we go on to our next recipe, that is arrowroot halwa. This arrowroot halwa is little difficult to make, but the taste is amazing. So I think you should try it. Instructions are: in a bowl, add arrowroot and 1 plus 1/4 cup of water. Mix it well and set aside for 10 minutes. In a heavy base kadai, add sugar and 1 cup water. Once the sugar melts and starts boiling, add arrowroot mixture. Keep the flame on medium. Stir continuously. Once the mixture starts thickening, add saffron, elaichi powder, almond pistachio slice, and add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Go on stirring continuously. Gradually go on adding ghee. Go on stirring till the mixture starts leaving the sides. It's going to take a while. You have to stir it for a longer time. Once it is done, you can transfer it to a greased plate or a bowl. You can garnish with slices of almonds and pistachio. Delicious arrowroot halwa is so tempting and aromatic. Next recipe is Lauki khichdi. Instructions are: in a pan, do tempering by adding oil, cumin seeds and curry leaves. Add grated lauki and salt. Cover and cook for a minute. Add Remaining ingredients like green chili paste, crushed groundnuts, chopped coriander leaves, salt to taste, lemon juice. Mix well. Cook for a minute. Lauki khichdi is ready. Now we go on to Vrat Kadhi. Instructions for Vrat Kadhi are: in a vessel, add curd, arrowroot powder and half cup of water. Add green chili paste, sugar and salt to taste. Whisk it well. Do tempering by adding oil, cumin seeds and curry leaves. Add the tempering to kadhi. Add chopped coriander leaves. Let kadhi boil for 10 minutes on medium flame. Garnish with chopped coriander leaves. Steaming hot kadhi is ready. Do try these recipes during fast to boost your immunity. It helps to cleanse and detoxify your body. Happy Navratri to all. Thanks for watching. Do share and subscribe to my channel.